Hi everyone, this is Katie with Bluefin Bay Resorts, and we got a ton of rain here on the North Shore, so I couldn't resist. I had to pull into Cascade River State Park this morning and check out the waterfalls, and I'm really excited to show you because they went totally wild. They're going totally wild. And we're supposed to get more rain, so it'll probably continue through Memorial Day weekend, I think, which will be really fun. And also make sure you watch till the end because I'll show where the river flows into Lake Superior, which is pretty cool.